Money management is the process of planning, organizing, and controlling your financial resources to achieve your life goals. It includes budgeting your income, saving for the future, investing wisely, and managing expenses so that you can avoid debt and build financial stability. Good money management helps individuals make informed decisions about where their money goes and ensures that they are prepared for both expected and unexpected financial situations. In today's fast-paced world, managing money effectively has become more important than ever. Many people earn money, but not everyone knows how to use it wisely. Money management starts with creating a budget, a simple plan that tracks your income and expenses. By understanding how much you earn and how much you spend, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and make necessary adjustments. This step is crucial because it forms the foundation of financial discipline. Another important aspect of money management is saving.